Virgin Resorts and Hotel Casino. We are playing the Ultimate Firelink Explosion with those crazy monkeys. I've not played this one before, so... oh my gosh. Need 3 chests to get the wheel feature. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. One's up there throwing stuff at me. Throwing fireballs at me, and I guess that's what we want. I don't see any gold chests, though. 4, we need... Oh. 4 to get the Firelink feature. That's it. One more. Oh. Finally, I see the treasure chest. So we need 4 of the Firelinks, 3 of the treasure chests. Oh, now that would be nice. Yep. Nice, they throw some at me, but I need like 4 of them. 2, 3. Ow. This one's awfully being stingy. Chest. Yay! I got the chest. Now, I don't think I'm eligible for the big one, but I could get the little one. So we're going to touch the start. And here we go. It's the bottom that's got to count. Where those arrows are. See, it's all the way up. And we're going to get a Firelink. Maybe, or free games. Mega would be even better. Free games it is. One away. Oh, here it comes. So touch to start. Free games. Oh good, they're going to collect all of those fireballs. That's awesome. 1 of 5. A whole bunch of those umbrellas. Very nice. Big ones. Oh, nice. Yep. Yay, that'd be nice if I got my money back that I came in the door with. Wouldn't that be awesome? That was free game 2. Now here comes number 3. Oh, that's a good one. Yeah, nice. How about another 4? Oh. And 5. One more. Come on, big ones. Oh, that's not nice. And I won 52.40. It's not bad. If you want to go on more weird and wild adventures with me, Wanda, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a single one. See you guys later. We're just going to do 1 or 2 little ones because you just never know. And we'll do one more. Oh, there's 4. That's why it pays to always do your extra few spins. And here comes the ball back down again. Oh, wow, here we go. So I need 4 more to unlock. 3 spins remaining. Got it. So we're gonna push the play. 1, 2. I got 3. 2 more. I gotta get 2 more. 1. I only need 1 more in that bottom section. Come on, you can do it. Oh, it's such a teaser. Last one. Come on, baby. Yay. Okay, so 2 more to unlock the next one. 1. We just need 1 more. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Yes, that's brilliant. Now we need 2 more to unlock that one. 1. Oh, that's exciting. 1 more. Come on, you can do it. Come on. 1 more. Ah, it's up there. Come on, down, down, down. Ah, last one. 1 more. Come on, unlock it, unlock it. Ah, bummer. But that was pretty good. And I should get all them. Yes, 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 yes. Yay, brilliant. Now, I should be able to get almost up to where I was before. Close. Close to what I had before. Oh, that was another awesome, awesome bonus. Very, very good. I always like to play the new ones, try and figure out what they are. That's right. Thank you very much. Oh, no, no, I didn't order that.
Oh, you didn't? Oh,
No, 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 no. That's okay. That's all right. Lady just brought me a beer. I don't drink beer. She thought it was me. I was like, I don't think so. Okay, so we're gonna hit more. A couple of these. 1. Uh-oh, he's throwing some down at me. And I think I'm gonna stop right there. That's too fun. We'll see you guys at the next one.